Why does stroke carry such a high risk? It can cause irreversible health effects, including death, by cutting off blood flow to essential brain regions. It's interesting to note that a number of studies have shown that good nutrition can be extremely important for both the prevention and recovery from stroke. A diet high in certain nutrients has been shown in studies to lower blood pressure, strengthen blood vessels, and lower the risk of stroke. However, which foods, and how do they function, can have such a significant effect on our health? These are questions not just about food, but also about how to live better lives and take better care of our health. Number 6. Buckwheat. Buckwheat is highly regarded in the world of healthful eating because it is not only delicious but also very beneficial. It is particularly prized for its capacity to affect stroke recuperation and prevention. So, let's set out on an exciting voyage into the world of buckwheat to learn about its many health benefits, the best ways to consume it, and the tastiest recipes. Magnesium and potassium, two elements essential to preserving cardiovascular health, are abundant in buckwheat. Magnesium helps blood vessels relax, which enhances blood flow and lowers blood pressure. This is an important stroke prevention strategy. On the other hand, potassium keeps blood pressure within normal range and aids in controlling the body's fluid balance. Studies reveal that the bioflavonoid rutin, which is present in buckwheat, helps to prevent brain hemorrhages, which are the main cause of strokes. By fortifying capillaries, nutrients help the body heal after a stroke, by supporting the growth of new blood vessels and nerve cells. Antioxidants found in buckwheat, such as quercetin, vitamin E, and other flavonoids, aid in the reduction of oxidative stress and speed up the healing process following a stroke. Which kind of buckwheat is better for you? Buckwheat groats, also known as whole grain buckwheat, are thought to be the healthiest variety because they are higher in nutrients than processed varieties like buckwheat flour or flakes. The vitamins, minerals, and fiber that whole grains retain are more important for cardiovascular and vascular health. How can you include buckwheat in your diet? A product with many uses, buckwheat is simple to incorporate into your diet. It can be eaten as porridge for breakfast, mixed into salads, or served as a side dish in place of rice. Another option is to sprout buckwheat, which adds even more nutrients because sprouting increases the amount of antioxidants and vitamins. Simmering or steaming buckwheat is one of the best ways to maintain its health benefits. Here's a quick and healthful recipe. 1. Soak the buckwheat in water overnight to soften and shorten the cooking time. After draining the water, give the buckwheat a thorough rinse. 2. Fill a saucepan with 2 times as much water as buckwheat. Bring to a boil, lower the heat, and simmer covered until the buckwheat is tender, 10 to 15 minutes. For flavor, add a dash of salt and your preferred spice. This cooking technique helps lock in as many nutrients as possible, making buckwheat a tasty and nutritious addition to your diet. Curious about the foods that can supercharge your life and fuel your body with vitality? Subscribe to my YouTube channel, Home Nutrit, and join me on a quest to explore the wonders of nutrition for a healthier, happier you. If you like this video, comment "Great" to encourage us. By the way, we have a special offer for you. If you want to dive even deeper into understanding kidney health, we've got something just for you. Check out the link in the description below for a free in-depth ebook on kidney health. This comprehensive guide covers everything you need to know about maintaining healthy kidneys and preventing kidney disease. Don't miss out on this valuable resource. Your kidneys will thank you. Number 5. Salmon. Imagine, if you will, a superhero named Salmon watching over your brain. A fish that is mysterious and possesses extraordinary abilities capable of defending us against one of humanity's most crafty enemies. How is it possible to solve this mystery? Let's explore the world of science in a way that makes the journey both engaging and simple to comprehend. Omega-3 fatty acids, which are abundant in salmon, have been shown by researchers to be essential in preventing cardiovascular illnesses such as stroke. These miracle fats have anti-inflammatory qualities that protect our brain, in addition to lowering cholesterol and increasing blood vessel elasticity. According to research, eating salmon on a regular basis can significantly lower the risk of an ischemic stroke, which occurs when the blood supply to a particular part of the brain is cut off. If a stroke has already occurred, the omega-3 fatty acids in salmon can speed up recovery by improving brain function and encouraging nerve cell regeneration. So, what is the best way to eat salmon to get the most benefits? The key is to retain as much of the nutrients as possible, which can be achieved by steaming, baking, or grilling salmon without adding a lot of extra fat. Steer clear of fried salmon because the high heat and additional fat can destroy its healthy qualities. It's not as hard as you might think to include salmon in your diet. Try having it for lunch or dinner at least twice a week. Brown rice, quinoa, and light salads are great combinations for salmon. Salmon is also good as tartare or as part of an omelette for breakfast. Hence, salmon is more than just a delectable and nourishing fish. It also serves as a potent weapon in the fight against stroke by bolstering the health of your blood vessels and brain. By consuming salmon in your diet, you contribute significantly to maintaining your longevity and good health, in addition to enjoying its delicious flavor. Number 4. Avocado. Think of avocado as your little green ally, working to keep bad guys like stroke away from your heart and brain. This incredible fruit, also known as the butter pear, is a veritable goldmine of nutrients and good fats that are essential to preserving our health. However, precisely how does avocado aid in stroke prevention, treatment, and recovery? Monounsaturated fats, which are abundant in avocados, reduce blood levels of bad cholesterol, a major risk factor for cardiovascular diseases, including stroke. These fats enhance blood vessel health by increasing their elasticity and decreasing their susceptibility to atherosclerosis, a condition that can result in stroke. Avocados are also a great source of potassium, which lowers blood pressure and reduces a major risk factor for stroke. Avocados have a higher potassium content than bananas, which makes them a great option for preserving the body's proper electrolyte balance. Antioxidants found in avocados, including vitamin E, shield brain tissue from oxidative stress, a factor in neurodegenerative disorders, and post-stroke cognitive decline. Let's now discuss how to eat avocados to get the most out of them. The healthiest method to consume avocado is raw and unprocessed to retain all of its nutrients. How can you include avocado in your diet? Here are some suggestions. 1. Avocado toast with eggs. Top a poached egg with avocado puree and whole grain toast to add even more protein. You'll have energy for the rest of the day after eating this filling and healthy breakfast. 2. Avocado salad. Add chunks of avocado to your preferred salad. Avocado is a great partner for tomatoes, cucumbers, cilantro, arugula, and spinach. For extra health benefits, drizzle it with olive oil and squeeze in some lemon juice. This combination amplifies the benefits of the salad. 3. Guacamole. To make a nutritious and delectable guacamole, mash the avocado and add finely chopped onion, tomato, garlic, lime juice, and cilantro. Serve it as a dip with whole grain chips or vegetable sticks. Not only is avocado a delicious and adaptable food, but it's also a valuable weapon in your toolbox for preventing stroke and improving your general health. Number 3. Olive oil. Olive oil occupies a special place on the culinary Olympus because it is both the secret to delicious food and a potent health defender. In a world where everyone is looking for their own superhero, together we will investigate how this golden elixir can serve as a dependable defense against one of your most dangerous enemies: stroke. A key component of the Mediterranean diet, olive oil, especially extra virgin unrefined olive oil, is well known for its health advantages, which include a lower risk of cardiovascular illnesses. Olive oil, which is abundant in monounsaturated fats, antioxidants, and phenolic compounds, helps to lower oxidative stress, improve vascular health, and reduce inflammation. Regular consumption of olive oil lowers the risk of ischemic stroke, the most common type of stroke caused by a blockage of blood flow to a portion of the brain, according to scientific research. This is explained by the oil's capacity to reduce blood pressure and enhance blood lipid profiles. How can you make the most of olive oil's advantages? Here are some pointers. 1. Make informed decisions. Extra virgin olive oil is the best option when purchasing olive oil because it is less processed and has more health-promoting phenolic compounds. 2. Use as recommended. Drizzle it over cooked food, or use it raw to retain vitamins and antioxidants in salads or other prepared foods. Let's now discuss some delectable ways to include olive oil in your diet. 1. Salad dressing. To make the ideal dressing for any salad, combine olive oil, lemon juice, garlic, sea salt, and black pepper. 2. Bruschetta. Rub some garlic over some bread, add some tomatoes and basil, and drizzle a lot of olive oil over it. 3. Final touch. To improve the flavor and health benefits of already prepared foods like pasta or vegetable sides, drizzle a little olive oil over them. Olive oil is more than just an ingredient. It's a flavor and health universe that is opening its mysteries to us. Not only will it enhance your cooking, but it will give your body consistent defense against stroke if you incorporate it into your regular diet. Number 2. Cherries. Consider cherries as more than just a delicious summer fruit. Imagine them as tiny sorceresses donning vivid red capes, prepared to defend your well-being. Every berry offers you strong defense against a serious illness, in addition to a delicious flavor. Research on conditions like strokes reveals that cherries are not only incredibly tasty, but also very helpful in preserving heart and vascular health. Let's examine how cherries can help you recover from and prevent strokes. Cherries get their vivid red color from an abundance of anthocyanins, which are potent antioxidants. These substances have anti-inflammatory qualities that lower the chance of developing chronic illnesses such as heart problems. Additionally, anthocyanins support vascular strengthening and better blood circulation, two important aspects of stroke prevention. Cherries contain an abundance of vitamins, including potassium, which controls blood pressure, and vitamin C, which strengthens immunity and improves vascular health. It's critical to keep blood pressure within normal ranges to avoid strokes. Cherries are a great option for preserving heart and vascular health because they regularly reduce inflammation markers and cholesterol in the body. How should you include cherries in your diet? Fresh cherries retain all of their vitamins and antioxidants, making them the most beneficial when consumed. Here are some suggestions for incorporating this enchanted fruit into your diet. 1. Simple and delicious as a standalone snack are fresh cherries. 2. Cherry salads. Add a sweet touch to green salads by incorporating fresh cherries. 3. Smoothies. Combine cherries with berries and other fruits to make a wholesome and reviving beverage. 4. Desserts. Yogurt and oatmeal can be naturally sweetened with cherries. The recommended daily intake of fresh cherries during the season is 1 to 2 servings, or approximately 150 to 300 grams. Although the precise amount required for heart and vascular health may vary, since frozen cherries maintain the majority of their health benefits, they can also be used during off-season periods. Thus, cherries become your dependable ally in the battle against heart disease and stroke prevention, in addition to providing you with the delicious flavor of summer. By consuming cherries as part of your regular diet, you take a significant step toward improving your health and enjoying every delicious bite along the way. Number 1. Ginkgo Biloba. Picture an old tree that has seen continents and epochs shift over time, acting as a living reminder of Earth's past. The Ginkgo Biloba tree is not only exquisite, but it also has undiscovered powers that may significantly improve our health. Many people overlook this amazing treatment, especially when it comes to stroke prevention and recovery, but scientific studies back up its efficacy. The Ginkgo Biloba's magical powers. Ginkgo biloba is a vital tool in the fight against stroke because it increases blood flow to the brain and circulation. One of the main causes of cardiovascular illnesses, oxidative stress, is fought off by the special antioxidant compounds found in this tree. According to studies, taking Ginkgo biloba extract on a regular basis can considerably lower the risk of an ischemic stroke, which happens when an artery supplying the brain becomes blocked. Furthermore, by improving cerebral blood circulation, Ginkgo biloba can aid in the recovery of memory and cognitive abilities following a stroke. How is this homeopathic remedy used? Ginkgo biloba can, of course, be taken as an extract. This supplement comes in tablet, capsule, or liquid form. Although the recommended daily dosage for extract varies, it is generally 120 to 240 mg split into multiple doses. It is imperative that you begin with a lower dosage and raise it gradually to observe how the supplement affects your body. But there are other ways to include Ginkgo biloba in your diet besides this. Here are some tips on how to use Ginkgo biloba in a natural way. 1. Gathering and prepping Ginkgo biloba leaves. When the leaves of the Ginkgo biloba tree are at their most active in the spring, gather them. Make sure the tree you pick the leaves from is located away from industrial areas and polluted roads. 2. Drying. Arrange the leaves in a well-ventilated shaded area using paper or clean cloth. Allow them to air dry for a few days or until they feel firm to the touch. Steer clear of direct sunlight as it can break down certain healthy compounds. 3. Keep the dried leaves in a cool, dark place in a glass jar that is tightly sealed. Applying ginkgo leaf. 1. To make ginkgo leaf tea, brew 1 to 2 teaspoons of crushed dried Ginkgo biloba leaves in a cup of boiling water. After steeping for roughly 10 minutes, strain it. Ginkgo tea can help enhance blood circulation and cognitive functions. You can drink it once or twice a day. Contraindications and precautions. Ginkgo biloba has certain contraindications, just like any potent remedy. It may interact with anticoagulants and antidepressants, either intensifying their effects or producing undesirable side effects. It's also not advisable to take Ginkgo biloba while pregnant or nursing. Additionally, in those who suffer from blood clotting disorders, always get medical advice before beginning any supplementation. Ginkgo biloba is an old tree that has powerful medicinal qualities, but is frequently overlooked in contemporary society. It can serve as your go-to tool for preventing and recovering from strokes, enhancing blood flow, and safeguarding your brain. You can live a full and active life by learning the age-old secrets of longevity and health, by including Ginkgo biloba in your diet. Curious about the foods that can supercharge your life and fuel your body with vitality? Subscribe to my YouTube channel, Home Nutrit, and join me on a quest to explore the wonders of nutrition for a healthier, happier you. If you like this video, comment "great" to encourage us. By the way, we have a special offer for you. If you want to dive even deeper into understanding kidney health, we've got something just for you. Check out the link in the description below for a free in-depth ebook on kidney health. This comprehensive guide covers everything you need to know about maintaining healthy kidneys and preventing kidney disease. Don't miss out on this valuable resource. Your kidneys will thank you. We sincerely hope that you have gained new and useful knowledge and that you are now better equipped to live a healthier lifestyle. We truly hope you will consider subscribing to our channel if you like this video. For you, it's a little step, but for us, it's a big boost. Remember to share this video with your friends and family. After all, health is what binds us all together, and educating others can assist someone who is looking for exactly this information to make a positive difference in their life. Naturally, we are always pleased to respond to your inquiries and remarks. Bye.